We're back with another easy and delicious no-bake dessert. These protein peanut butter oat cups are macro balanced, made with just a few simple ingredients, and take only a couple minutes to prep. So let's jump right into them. Also, what camera angle do you prefer? We'll call this one 1 and this one 2. Let me know in the comments. I'm not quite sure why I switched. We're gonna start these by making our base layer. To do this, add into a mixing bowl 1 cup of rolled oats, 1½ scoops of a protein powder, 4 ounces of a Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of honey. I like using vanilla here, but really, as long as it complements the peanut butter flavor, you can use whatever flavors you want for your protein powder and Greek yogurt. Go ahead and mix all of those up until everything is combined. If your mix appears to be too dry, you can add in a little more Greek yogurt. From here, take out a muffin pan, mini muffin pan, silicone muffin cups, or whatever you can find that'll allow you to layer. Evenly distribute your base layer mix into the bottom of whatever you're using and press your mix in like this. Pro tip, a damp hand will keep anything from sticking. For your next layer, add into a mixing bowl 4 tablespoons of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter. Mix those together, then evenly distribute that layer on top of your base layer. Should spread super easy. This last layer is completely up to you. You can go regular chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, sugar-free, and so on. I'm gonna go sugar-free today. I'll make sure to put the calories with all these various toppings on the proteinchef.co, and don't forget, there's also metric conversions on there for every recipe. To make the topping, all you need to do is throw whatever you're using in the microwave for around 30 seconds, mix it around, and repeat till you can easily spread it. Top your cups, then put them into the freezer for around 20 minutes, or till they look like this. As you can see, we made 6 cups today. I'll usually keep mine in either the freezer or fridge till I'm ready to eat them. Obviously, if you keep them in the freezer, they'll last a bit longer. Just remember to let them thaw out a little bit before eating them. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're on the road to 500,000. And of course, stay healthy.